Hi everyone, a warm evening to all. Today we will see five more current affairs according to our day 3 plan. So let's go. The first we will see the what are all the topics we are going to cover today. Okay. So the topics are regarding sanitation, hygiene fund, Galapagos, Kohala, Narcondam and Pantius Sanctus. Okay. The first one is about sanitation and hygiene fund. So this is a global financing mechanism. So it is launched by United Nations because this kind of question may be asked in prelims examination because you may be confused with whether it is launched by Niti Aayog or UN and all. So please make note of these kind of current affairs too. So it is speeding up the funding to the countries where we can see due to the lack of sanitation services and if they are not having enough fund to respond to that. So as a result of that, heaviest burden of diseases will be accelerating in more number in those countries. So sanitation and hygiene fund helps them to tackle those problems. It is hosted by UN Office of Project Services. So what are their main objectives means household sanitation will be ensured and they will be ensuring menstrual health and hygiene as well as sanitation services in schools and healthcare facilities. Hygiene and sanitation are their main motto and also they support innovative sanitation solutions too. Okay, so if anybody comes with a very good idea in an innovative manner means they will also support them in terms of finance. Okay, so the next is about Galapagos Islands. It is located in Pacific Ocean and we know that it is away from the South America continent and it is a part of Ecuador, Republic of Ecuador, and it has a very uniqueness that it is first World Heritage Site of UNESCO's. In 1978 itself, they have recognized Galapagos Islands as the first World Heritage Site and it is a natural habitat of critically endangered scalloped hammerhead sharks as well as we can say the giant Galapagos tortoise is also what we can say the habitat is Galapagos Island. And why this was in news means Chinese vessels has been sighted over near this volcanic archipelago. That's why. Okay, just go through the map. Next, Kohala hydropower project. So this was to be set up by, that is this will be set up by China, that is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir near Kohala, which is in Azad Kashmir. So it will also be a part of, we can say, China Pakistan economic corridor project, a multi-billion dollar corridor project. So it will be built on the river Jhelum and one of the tributaries of river Indus, and it has we can say 1124 megawatt power project. So what is the intention of this project means it will be providing that more than 5 million units of clean energy at a very low cost to the consumers in Pakistan. India shows objection to this project, yet China didn't consider about India's objection. Okay, next one. Narcondam Hornbill. You would have seen in the map of Andaman Nicobar Island. So please make note of the minute details in the Andaman Nicobar Islands map regarding the passages or degree channels and all, and as well as the islands. Okay, so you can see here it is endemic to the Narcondam Island in Andaman Sea. Very important one is endemic, and it is seen only in the Narcondam Island. That is, it has been recognized as, that is, Narcondam Island Wildlife Sanctuary has been recognized as the important bird and biodiversity area by BirdLife International IBA, and its IUCN status is endangered. Recently we can say its population has been increasing due to the less possible threats to their existence. So next is Pantius sanctus. So it is a new freshwater species found in Velankanni in Tamil Nadu, and it belongs to the family Cyprinidae. Please make note of that family. Sometimes it may be asked in TNPSC group exams or any other competitive examinations. Most probably in UPSC they won't ask like this family criteria and all. This freshwater species will show any we can say species richness, and it grows only up to 7 centimeter. So most probably it can be used as an ornamental fish too, and it is silverfish, known as silverfish. And also sanctus means holy, that is pilgrim town in the Latin language. It is commonly found in India in the drainages of the western and eastern Ghats as well as in eastern Himalayas too. Locally they are called as Paral in Kerala and Kende in Tamil Nadu. And it was first identified and named by the government college in Kollam. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching. subscribe to Dream Work and Achieve channel and share this video to all the aspirants. And till then, be bold, be strong, keep smiling, be happy. We will meet up again tomorrow.